guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share another tasty recipe with you all, and it's very close to my heart because I will be sharing my birthday cake recipe with you all. So like, it's not for the lockdown, it's my ritual thing that I bake my own birthday cake on my birthdays. It's weird, I know, but still it's good for me because when you bake a cake by yourself, you know that how much crunchiness, how much nuts, how much sweetness you're going to add or not. So you can make it according to your wish, according to your taste buds. So yeah, if you like my channel and if you like me, then please do like my channel, share this video among your friends. Also, there is a red subscribe button below my video, tap on it. Also tap the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, starting with the recipe, it's a very tedious one, and I have made choco almond cream cheese frosting cake, like choco almond cake with cream cheese frosting. It did not take any fancy beaters or any fancy appliances for making this dish. I have used very basic ingredients, also basic things. Also, I have made the cream cheese over here at home, like at scratch. I have not bought it from any market or anything. So yeah, and also you can use this cream cheese at various purpose, like you can use it on sandwich, nachos, like anything. You can use it on savory dish, adding Italian herbs or seasoning. I have used vanilla on it, like vanilla flavor, because I have used it, I have topped it on cakes. You can use it on muffins. Yeah, let's get started. For making cream cheese, we need 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of fresh cream. Now we will boil them separately on a low flame. Now I will add the boiled milk into the boiled cream. Then we will stir them gently. Now I will add 4 tablespoons of vinegar into it so that it curdles up. So the milk has curdled up. Now I will keep it at rest and then I will sieve it. Now gently I will squeeze out the extra water from the paneer mixture, and then I will wash it to get rid of the smell of vinegar. Now I will hang it for about 1 hour. Now I will be adding 1 cube of Amul cheese, and also I will be using vanilla essence as a flavor. You can use any flavor if you want, like for savory dish you can use garlic, rosemary, anything. I will blend it to get a smooth paste out of it. It looks a little hard, so I will use some stock of the paneer that I have used while sieving the paneer, like the paneer water. Our cream cheese is ready. Now I will be keeping it in the refrigerator so that it becomes little stiff, and then I will be using it on my cake. At first I have grinded sugar into powdered sugar. That is 3/4 cup. Now here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I have 3 eggs and I have sugar. Now I will mix the sugar into the eggs and I will whisk it together. On the other side I have made coffee mixture, that is coffee and water. I will pour it into the flour and I will add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I will add the egg mixture little by little into the flour mixture. will add half cup of vegetable oil. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 pinch of baking soda, and we'll mix it. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and I will add all the crushed almonds into it. Now we'll pour the mixture into the greased cake mold. We'll put it in the oven for 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 35 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It has got little cracks, but my toothpick has come out clean. So flipping it, and I will cut the upper portion, and this is what it looks like. Now I have taken out the cream cheese from the refrigerator. This is what it looks like. It has become slightly stiff. Now here I have half a cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar. Then I will whisk it together. Then I will put it on the cake. So this is how the cakes look like. I have decorated them with some chopped chocolates and almonds. So yeah, let's hug in.